Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training, and today we have our interior elevations for our kitchen and our bathroom. So we had to do, these are just for the first level, but they're both similar on all units. So I'm going to go look at my first floor, and as you can see, I didn't do this kitchen, but the apartments are identical. So what can be done here, first and second floor. So I'm going to copy these. I'm going to select and hit my control. Let me get these cabinets first. And I'm going to select all these, the sink, the stove, and this microwave unit. And then I'm going to do a copy, a mirror copy against this grid line right here. And they should appear at some point. Uh-oh, I don't know what happened there. Dang. Okay, so I don't know why that happened, but there they are. So now we have our kitchen on both sides, and now I'm going to go into our second level here, and they're also up here. But you notice here we don't have a kitchen, so what I can do while I have those still highlighted, I can go here and I can paste these four items, and I can go to align selected levels here, and I can go to the second floor and just click OK. So now if I go to my second floor, there they are. And now what I want to do here, I want to go across here, and I want to add this kitchen here. So I'm going to go across this line here. Oh, it didn't do what it did before. So there's our kitchen on each level. Now we can go back to our interior elevations, and we could say each apartment is similar, or we can go in and just do each floor. So I'm going to go back to my finishes. Now here, if I look at this, I see something here that I don't particularly agree with. We've got all wooden floors here, so let's do this. Let's go in and make this tile, these floors tile right here. So what we can do there, we can go and select that floor, and then I want to edit this boundary here. And I want to just push that up to there. And I can do one at a time when I'm going to finish. I want to go don't attach. And I'm going to go yes here. Or should I have said no? I don't know. Okay, so now here, I'm going to create another floor. And it's our tile tool that we already have in the project. So I'm going to go down to my architecture tab, select floor, and then here I want to do a shape. I want to go from this corner here all the way to here. Well, I could go there. Yeah, I can go inside that wall. And then I got wooden floor here, so I'm going to select my tile floor right here and finish it. Don't attach. So now on the second level, we have tile floors. You know, we don't want to have wooden floors in the kitchen, of course. So I'm going to do the same right here. I want to select this guy here. Okay. Now here I want to have this selected so that I can select this floor. So I'm going to go select it, and I want to edit this floor boundary here. And I want to just push this up to right about there again. I want to finish it. And don't attach. Now we've got no floor there. And then we'll come in here and add our kitchen floor. And from our architecture tab again. I'll select my floor. Yeah, I don't think they would want a tile floor here. We can even put carpet in these bedrooms if we want. So we're gonna go here and just select a shape. Go from this corner to this corner. Just go right to there. Yeah, right there. And we'll finish it. Don't attach. So now we have our second floor. So now I'm going to do the part plans here for the second floor, just in case they want to change something. So here again, just reviewing what we did in the last exercise, we're going to go to our view, call out view, rectangular, and we'll go from here. We could do all of them, but I'm going to just do the kitchen. These are real small kitchens, nice little apartments they have in retail space. So I'm going to drag this guy up here. And let's open this view and see what we have here. Actually, I should have did the opposite side. Yeah, let's go back and do the opposite side based on the fact that we have, yeah, let's do this side here since we have the opposite side on the lower level. This is just, you know, we may not have to do any more here. The thing is, what you do on each bathroom, you got to do on all of them, unless, you know, we want to go do some interior decorating, and since they're so small, I think we can do that here. So there's our call out, and then I want to go and select this guy here, open this, and remove this, hide in view. And I want to do our elevation marker here. Just place it there like we did before. Just reviewing what we done before here, guys. Here. Now let's open this view, double clicking it. And as you can see, there's our kitchen wall elevation here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish these up and leave it there. So hey folks, thanks for watching. This light fixture has to be fixed. It's not right. It should be in the ceiling. There's our ceiling. Let me pull that up a bit. Yep, there's our ceiling right there and our light fixtures. And then if I go back into my floor plan view and fix these up like we did before, and that's it. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video, and I'll get these levels together, and then we'll move on to probably our HVAC. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.